This is why I sold my iPad Pro. First reason, and I know this is very bizarre me making this video because literally yesterday I uploaded a video to TechWiz Productions with my setup tour for 2021, early 2021, and I said in that video I used the iPad Pro for making my thumbnails, for managing the channel, that kind of thing. Next on my desk we have my iPad Pro 2017 10.5 inch and Apple Pencil Gen 1, but I can do that all on my iPhone. So why was I keeping around the iPad Pro? Well, at the time I really liked the iPad Pro. You know, I got the iPad Pro back in 2018, you know, September 2018, literally a month before they announced the new ones. But I got it and I was using it as my main daily driver device. You know, that was my main laptop replacement. But once I switched to a laptop, you can see it back there, and once I got myself a desktop, things really changed. I got a camera. I started editing 4K footage. I started getting more B-roll. I did podcasts. I've been live streaming. And part of this change has been neglecting the iPad Pro. I've been neglecting it, in a sense. That laptop back there, I've been doing everything on. Is the laptop the big reason I switched from my iPad to just selling it? Yeah, it is actually. The laptop is the reason for it. You see, I prefer devices that can do a lot for the money. And because the iPad does a lot, I kept it, you know. I really like the functionality of it. I really like reading on it, whatever it was. But just because of that reason that I need an editing machine on the go, that's why I use the laptop primarily. I'm always web browsing, doing college essays, that kind of thing. I was doing them on my iPad Pro, and that was fine, but it wasn't the best. I've rediscovered using a laptop. I've loved using the laptop, and yeah, the iPad just got neglected. I'd switch on maybe once a day to check my channel stats or whatever, stuff that can be done on my iPhone. And that is why I sold my iPad Pro, because I just wasn't using it. I just don't need it. Also, that gives me an excuse to be able to make another setup tour later on this year. Without further ado, if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below what's your setup, maybe follow me on my socials, or follow the new TechWiz TikTok. I'm Connor, I'll catch you next one.